English voice with choices. To say that you choose or want something more than another, you can use prefer or would rather. I would rather call someone than text them. This means if you could choose, you will call somebody and not text them. Let's look at some more examples. I prefer to talk to someone face to face than on the telephone. This means if you could choose, you would rather talk to someone face to face than on the telephone. He would rather communicate by email than by text. This means if he could choose, he would rather communicate by email than by text. She prefers to video call than use the telephone. This means if she could choose, she would rather video call someone than use the telephone. Let's look at some more examples. I prefer to exercise in the morning before work than in the evening after work when I'm tired. This means if I could choose, I would exercise in the morning rather than in the evening. Our next example, I would rather eat at home than go to an expensive restaurant. This means if I could choose, I would eat at home than at an expensive restaurant.